It's a Friday afternoon, which means we're starting to get a bit silly now, and we're talking about Martin Burgess is going to start creating his very own Martin Burgess sound pack to download for iPhones and things. Martin, what sort of things are you thinking of?
Well, I don't know. What do we need?
We'll need a phone ringing.
Ring, 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 ring.
Cool.
Okay.
New text message.
Mwah.
Oh, again.
Mwah.
Sending a text message.
Ping.
Isn't it normally the other way round?
No, not this time.
Okay.
No.
New email. Oh, again. Okay. Sending an email.
It's gone.
Again.
It's gone.
Ordering a scone.
Scone.
What else is there? Facebook message.
Oh.
Cool. And new tweet. Sending a tweet. Again. Do that again. Once more. That's just impossible. I'm trying to think of any others. Deleting something. Okay. I think that's it, really. I can't think of anything else. Yeah. So
if you think of anything else, do let me know.
Yeah. So soon to download the Martin Burgess sound pack
Moon.
for your. What's
Martin
that?
Burgess
Moon.
Moon.
Sorry, Martin Burgess Moon sound pack for your iPhone. All those sounds back to back now, please.
No, go away. Go.